Here we will write a Python program to accept dictionary elements and print multiplication of all elements from dictionary. So first in comment line we'll write. First we'll define empty dictionary as d equal to dict, and then we'll accept number of elements to store in the dictionary. So n equal to int input, enter total elements to store in dictionary. Then we'll use for loop to accept the elements. So for I in range n, and we'll accept the value for the dictionary element. So value equal to int input, enter dictionary value, and we'll store this value to dictionary element with key as y. So d of I equal to, here I is the key and value is the element. Since we are going to multiply all these elements, we will define one integer variable result which is initialized with 1, and we will use for loop. So for key in d, result equal to result into d of key, and then we will print multiplication of elements, print multiplication of directory elements, we will print result, and we execute. I will give total number as 5, and I will enter the dictionary values as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So multiplication of directory element is 120. That is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is 120.